Paulownia Carbon Bridge Strategy. Old growth forests take 100 years to sequester carbon. We can't wait that long. Problem: climate goals demand immediate carbon capture, but native forests grow too slowly. We're losing the race against time. Solution: here's the carbon bridge strategy. Paulownia captures massive CO2 in 5 years, while native forests establish their 50-plus year carbon legacy. The math is powerful. Paulownia: 38 tons CO2 per hectare in 5 years. Native oak: 200-plus tons over 50 years. Combined, maximum carbon impact, zero weighting. Proof and verification. Fortune 500 companies are funding verified carbon credit projects using this dual species approach. Immediate plus long-term equals climate victory. Time for action. Turn sustainability into opportunity. Visit bioeconomysolutions.com and schedule your carbon strategy session today.